Now, the Wabash Valley's most accurate and reliable newscast continues with Storm Team 10 meteorologist Lindsay Monroe.
Good morning, everyone. As we're waking up, it's Friday, last day of the week. We're so close to the weekend, we're honing in on it, but what we need to deal with this morning is the cool air that has filtered in. In fact, we are entering near record low ranges here with our temperatures. It's just 49 here in Terre Haute. Right now, the winds are calm. Again, that standing record here in Terre Haute is 46. That was set back in 2004. Don't think we're going to get that cool this morning, but still 46. We have to go back to last May before we see a low temperature this cool out there this morning. So just keep in mind it is going to be a chillier start to the day, and the cloud cover is actually playing a significant role in our temperatures. Where we've had a mostly clear sky, that's where it's the coolest, like in Paris here in Terre Haute. It's 56 though down in Linton, 56 in Robinson, and some lower 60s where you can see the clouds are in place from Olney-Backley, Florida up to Effingham. 60 degrees your current temperature, and that's going to play a role in the temperature change in the past 24 hours. Where we've had that mostly clear sky, it's significantly cooler by 13 degrees here in Terre Haute, up in Paris, but where the cloud cover has kept temperatures warmer, we're up by 6 degrees in Flora and in Olney. The cloud cover around this morning will actually translate into some more cloudy skies as we head into this afternoon. This is just the beginning stages of it as that cold front sinks to the south. We will keep at least a few clouds around today. It's not going to be a completely crystal clear sky, but those clouds that will be around, they're not going to be rainmakers. So we'll call it a dry day. Just a few increasing clouds as we head through the afternoon hours, a partly cloudy sky for our Friday afternoon. Overall, just very pleasant. Hopefully you can get outside and enjoy it today, because this is going to be the last completely dry day for a while. That extended forecast really starts to change up our weather pattern, introducing rain as early as tomorrow. So enjoy these dry conditions. And just keep in mind this morning it's going to be cool, near 50 at 8 a.m. with a mostly clear sky. By noon, becoming partly cloudy as we rebound back to 68. And then by 5 p.m., 80 degrees your forecast daytime high today, remaining partly cloudy as we head through the evening tonight and even through the overnight. Looking at a partly cloudy sky. Already by tomorrow morning, you can tell we're headed into a warming trend, as tomorrow's overnight low is actually not going to be as cool as what we're seeing this morning, just near 60 to kick off the day on Saturday. But as you'll notice, we spend most of our Saturday completely dry. There is a chance that we could see a few scattered showers developing into the afternoon, but I do believe that better chance to see the more widespread rain will hold off into your Saturday evening and really throughout the day on Sunday. So if you're making weekend plans, you'll want to be outdoors and enjoy it, Saturday is going to be the better day to do so. Lower 80s for daytime highs as wind shift out of the southwest. You can see the range trying to become a little more widespread for your Saturday evening, especially on Sunday when the actual weather system moves into the valley on Sunday afternoon. That's when we'll really ramp up those rain chances. And you can tell it turns a lot warmer, upper 60s to kick off the day on Sunday, and then just continuing that upward trend over the next 6 days. Here's your temperature tracker by Sunday, up to 84, 82 on Monday with some more rain showers and cloudy skies. But then it changes into your typical summertime weather pattern. We get up near 85 on Tuesday, and by next Wednesday, finally actually feeling seasonal for the middle part of August. Your average daytime high is 88. We do stay below that until we head into next week, then things really start to warm back up. So for today, just a pleasant afternoon. Again, not a completely clear sky, but still plenty of sunshine and pleasant temperatures as we top out near 80. Through the overnight tonight, keeping a partly cloudy sky, the added cloud cover and the wind shifting out of the southeast are going to play a role as we only look to drop back near 60, and that'll put us on track to have a warmer day tomorrow, back into the lower 80s with a chance of showers and storms developing later in the day. Again, several dry hours for your Saturday. Don't cancel weekend plans just yet. If they're on Saturday, Sunday could be a bit of a different story. Increasing showers and storms, at least their coverage area to about 60% of the valley. Rain showers continue with us through Monday, and then things warm back up into the upper 80s as we head through the middle part of next week with daily rain and storm chances through next Thursday.